With the dynamic nature of the cleaning industry, it isn't easy to give a definite amount of what it will cost to hire a cleaning company. Even though there are so many amounts and average costs littered on the internet, several factors contribute to the overall cost of each cleaning service. And the only way to estimate cleaning costs is to consider these factors. 1. Duration. This is one of the major determinants of how much a cleaning service will cost. Most cleaning companies charge hourly. This means the amount of time spent on your facility will determine the amount you pay at the end of the day. To minimize cost, you can take up little tasks like clearing the clutter on the desk before the cleaning team arrives. So the workload on them will be reduced, and the cost will be reduced as well. 2. The type of cleaning required. There are different types of cleaning services that meet different needs and come at different costs too. There is basic cleaning, spring cleaning, deep cleaning, etc. So you must understand these various types to know what it will cost you to hire a cleaning company. The cost varies depending on the type that will suit your cleaning needs. But be assured that deep cleaning will cost more than basic cleaning services. 3. Location. Each area has a different amount they charge for cleaning services. Hence, the location of your office is another factor that can affect the cost of cleaning services. If your office is located in developed cities and towns where the cost of living is high, then the cost of cleaning services will be high too. Also, getting a cleaning company far from your location can affect the overall cost, as the transportation expenses will be included. 4. Size of the facility. The size of facilities is another reason there cannot be a fixed cost for cleaning services. So you have to consider size when drawing your budget. How big or small your office is will determine how many areas have to be cleaned, how much work has to be done, and how much it will cost. 5. Frequency of service. Another factor that may determine the cost of hiring a cleaning company is how frequent your contract with them is. Say the company comes once or twice every week, that will mean less work for them and hence, less cost for you. Cleaning companies will usually discount a client who requires their services more often. Bonus tip. 6. Company experience. The company you choose is yet another factor. If you opt for an experienced company, rest assured you are getting the best with each cleaning session. But you should also be ready to pay for the experience, extra cost, because experienced companies charge a little higher than the upcoming ones. There is no better way to know the cost of hiring a cleaning company than to ask the company itself. At FastKlean, we are always happy to hear your unique needs and create a free estimate with no obligations on your part. Contact us today for your free estimate. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 5 tips for maintaining hardwood floors. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 02088849 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.